Hello, good morning everyone. How are you, all of you? Yes, today we are going to learn very important topic clauses. Yes, what do you mean clause? A clause is a group of related words containing a subject and a predicate. A clause refers to a group of related words which has both subject and predicate. For example, I will meet him in the school. I will meet him is a root or main clause. In the school is subordinate clause. In is preposition, and next remaining part of the sentence is known as subordinate, because subordinate is depend on the first sentence. I will meet. I will meet him is independent. In the office is dependent clause. Subordinate clauses divided into three parts. Yes, noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Yes, what do you mean noun clause? Noun clause performs different type of functions in a sentence. In a sentence we see there is subject, there is subject complement, there is direct object, sometimes there is object complement, sometimes indirect object, sometimes prepositional complement, sometimes adjective phrase complement, sometimes noun phrase complement, and etc. Each and every sentence we see. So noun clause. Yes, what do you mean noun clause? Noun clause is a dependent clause that functions as a noun in a sentence. It's called noun clause. A noun clause performs some functions like noun in a sentence. The noun clause does the work of a noun, ask what to the main clause to get an answer in the subordinate clause. Subordinators like that, what, whatever, how, etc. For example, we see first example. I am afraid that my mother will be angry. I am afraid that my mother will be angry. I am afraid is a main clause or root. That my mother will be angry is subordinate clause. Subordinate clause, it means first you should know the difference between main clause and subordinate clause. There are two major clauses, two type of major clauses. Main clause is known as independent clause, and the subordinate clause is known as dependent clause. And noun clause includes in a subordinate clause. It is apparent that he was guilty. It is apparent is a root. Main clause. That he was guilty is subordinate clause, because we see that is subordinator here and that connects two sentences. It is apparent and he was guilty. Two sentences here we see joined with the help of subordinator that. That's why it is apparent is a main clause and that he was guilty subordinate clause. Third sentence we see, you said that he was busy. You said that he was busy. You said is a main clause. That he was busy is subordinate clause. Next, I hope that it was true. I hoped that it was true. I hope is a main clause and that it was true is a subordinate clause. I hope. Next sentence, there is no meaning in what you say. There is no meaning in main clause. What you say is subordinate clause. Explanation we see in short. Above four sentences there is that subordinator used before verb. In fifth sentence, there is a preposition preposition in used before the subordinate clause. What? Every prepositions like in, on, at, etc. used before the subordinator. That sentence mentioned as a noun clause.